When they took the stand, investigators say a lot of this evidence that they found is because of Jimmy Rodgers' girlfriend at the time. Her name is Taylor Showmaker. She is the one who pointed investigators to the evidence that they are using in this trial. But it was more than just the evidence they found. It was her statement to investigators that's really proven key and is a big part of their case against Jimmy Rodgers.
I asked him what he went down there for, and he said to make money. And then asked him how does he make money, and it was murdering Mark's wife.
Now, a major talking point from the defense, though, has been that the state basically paid her to become a witness, so they're paying for the testimony, they say. And they also say a lot of her statements to investigators have been inconsistent.
An unemployed, uneducated, single mother of 2 at the time. We will hear that Mr. Rodgers was her protector in terms of physically, financially, and emotionally until she hooked up with the police. But most importantly, they paid her. They began paying her when she asked for money to give her statement. They paid her money to put deposit down on a place to live because she had been living with Mr. Rodgers. They gave her money for deposit and rent. They also gave her $400 a month, each and every month, paid by the Lee County Sheriff's Department, and has been receiving it and is still receiving it as her agreement in coming in to testify.
So is this all true? Well, the state responded saying, yes, they are paying Taylor Showmaker, but all of this is legal.
Did you tell her if she didn't talk with you, her children would be taken away?
No.
Did you promise her anything for talking with you?
I did not.
Did you start an investigation as to whether or not there was anything that could be done to assist her?
Yes.
And what did you find out?
We found out that she was eligible for witness assistance. We followed the proper steps, and later she was granted witness assistance.
And how much witness assistance a month was she granted?
She is granted $400 monthly.
So the Witness Assistance Program, you've probably heard of it. It is something that is used frequently in cases like this. It's a national and state program, and it lets witnesses get money and other types of assistance in exchange for their testimony, but it only is allowed under specific circumstances. In this case, it was granted, and it's because Showmaker relied on Rodgers financially, according to the state. Now, the program also gives information on medical facilities, social services, and public and private programs like counseling, treatment, or other necessary support. So we will be out here the rest of the morning recapping this case, letting you know what to expect this morning. I will be also joined by a criminal defense attorney for some insight into how key that blue jumpsuit we keep hearing about is in this case. And we do want to remind you that all of our coverage on air will also be online on our website, fox4now.com. All of the detailed information on what is happening inside the courtroom will be available there. It'll also be available on the Fox 4 Now app, where we will be sending breaking push alerts as to what exactly is happening inside the courtroom. So keep with Fox 4. We are your source for all things related in the murder trial of Dr. Teresa Sievers. Amy,